A list is a good data structure to store arrays of items, but it's not good enough if the data have some sort of identity attached to them. In that case, we use dictionary, and the syntax of dictionary is a call bracket. So this here is a list, and this here is English, no math, text, let's say English, let's say physics. Yeah, so this here is a dictionary, and this one here is a list. So the difference between a list is and a dictionary is this is an item, while this here is an item. This one, the whole of this is an item, but it has a key and a value. Let's go into our Python shell. Python. Let's see what we could do with dictionary. Dic. So we have our key, okay, our values. We want to use this algorithm here to bring out the mean of this data structure. So let's know what to do. So go with help into bracket dic dot values. Whoa, so it's a method. So we come over here, let's now add it. So dot values is a method. Don't forget the brackets. Yeah, let's save. Okay, let's just remove this guy. Ctrl S, and let's run the code and see. Okay, there we go. We got our result. So if you have data that has some sort of identity, you could use a dictionary and you still get the same results when you use a list. Thank you.